Hi everybody, this is Alvito and welcome back to the Study and Work Abroad channel. I've been making a series of videos on studying abroad. I started with a complete guide on studying abroad, choosing the right country, choosing the right course. I spoke about arranging for finances. I even spoke about 10 common mistakes that students usually do when applying abroad. I then spoke about the visa process. I spoke about scholarships. I then spoke about living as an international student, how to thrive as an international student abroad. Today is the last in the series of videos, and I'm going to be talking about post arrival. So now you've got your admission, you've got your visa, you've arrived into the country of your choice, your destination country. What do you need to do the moment you arrive in the first few days, and how you can adjust to life as a student abroad? First things first is attending student orientation sessions. All universities all across the world will conduct student orientation. By that I mean students who come into the country for the first time to the university. The university conducts familiarity sessions, getting the student accustomed to the university, accustomed to the country, accustomed to the atmosphere, and just general topics that are covered on studying in the university, rules and regulations, adjusting to life in the country, understanding your university systems, the education systems, getting your timetable. All of these topics are covered in the student orientation. It is of utmost importance that you attend the orientation sessions. Just in case your visa has got delayed or your flights have got delayed, you've not been able to attend orientation, a lot of universities also conduct them online. So make sure you attend at least the online sessions. In case you're not able to do both physical orientation or the online orientation, go to your student office, go to your international office and ask them to conduct a private orientation session for you. All universities will do that because of the importance of having an orientation. So that's the first thing. What do you do next? The next is getting a proper mobile phone connection and a proper internet connection. Now, university campuses will have Wi-Fi free of charge. Your accommodation in all probability will have Wi-Fi free of charge. You need to have a mobile phone, a mobile connection when you're in transit or when you're at work or whatever. Do your research before you leave India on what kind of mobile phone connections and plans and connectivities are available. Canada has got Phonebox, UK has got Vodafone, they've got various companies all over the world. Do some research before you go there so that when you land in the country, you're picking the correct mobile phone plan and taking a proper connection. The next and very important is getting your finances sorted. So opening a bank account, opening the correct bank account in the correct banks, choosing it correctly. All banks all over the world will have student zero balance accounts. There are countries like Canada and the UK, even New Zealand, that allow you to open bank accounts when you're in India. So ICICI Bank UK, SBI Bank UK, Canada, all of these banks, Royal Bank of Canada, allow you to open your bank accounts when you're in India. So do that as much as you can. But if you've not already opened an account when you're in India, go to the country and get your bank account sorted first. Countries like Canada have the GIC, or Germany has the blocked account, New Zealand has the FTS. These are the blocked account monies. You need to get those activated so that you can start getting your regular monthly money into your checking account or your savings account. So get your bank account sorted. The next is exploring the area, exploring your surroundings, your environment. Where are the grocery shops? Where are the basic necessities available? What is the distance? How do you travel? The metro, the bus, public transportation, etc. Just go around exploring the area. All universities again will conduct city familiarity tours. Get onto those tours, use them as much as possible to acquaint yourself with your surroundings, your area, but understand all of this because it is very important to make life easy. You need to know all of these things. So spend the first week or so just getting to know the place. A lot of universities will have representatives who will take you around. You will find friends or family or whoever who will take you around. So get acclimatized to your surroundings. So now you've done all of this. You're probably a week into the country. You now will start university and you'll start classes. So understand your timetable well. Make sure that you're settling into your classes properly, attending your classes on time. you've adjusted your schedule properly, some students will also start applying for part-time jobs. So start doing that at the same moment. So you're doing multiple things at the same time. University starts, you start looking for your part-time jobs, and most importantly is meeting new people. Get to know your classmates, get to know your professors, get to know your student counselors, get to know the international team. Network. Go around meeting people, networking with them, so that they will help you to get acclimatized. They will help you adjust to the country. They will help you adjust to the university. They will help you adjust to your schedule. Meet new people as much as you can. Keep the good company, keep the right company. And that's pretty much it. You're going to be settled well into your university, into your country, and then just focus on your studies and trying to do as well as you can in your destination country. Thank you for listening. Look out for my next series of videos that I will do on studying abroad, and all the best to you.